Have you ever suffered from a urinary tract infection and feel like it keeps coming back? The good news is that there are medically proven strategies to prevent and combat this common issue, and you can apply them in your daily life. Stay until the end to discover the best scientifically proven tips to finally get rid of urinary tract infections. Urinary tract infections are one of the most common health problems, especially among women, with about 50% of them facing this condition at some point in their lives. While it can be uncomfortable and painful, what many don't know is that there are several ways to prevent and even combat urinary tract infections with simple adjustments to your lifestyle. Today, we'll discuss tips based on medical studies and practices recognized by specialists that can make a difference in your urinary health. Get ready to transform your routine and protect your body against this issue. Increase fluid intake. One of the most effective and simplest ways to prevent urinary tract infections is to stay well hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps dilute urine and increases urinary frequency, which is essential for flushing bacteria out of the bladder. Studies show that people who consume more than 1.5 liters of water per day are less likely to develop urinary tract infections. The reason is simple. By urinating more frequently, you reduce the chances of bacteria accumulating and multiplying. Proper hygiene. Another essential point in preventing urinary tract infections is maintaining good personal hygiene, especially for women. According to specialists, always wipe from front to back after using the bathroom to avoid intestinal bacteria coming into contact with the urethra. This may seem simple, but it's one of the most effective ways to prevent infections. Use of probiotics. Now, here's a surprising tip: the use of probiotics. Probiotics are good bacteria that help balance the body's flora, including vaginal and urinary flora. Research indicates that probiotic supplements or consuming foods rich in probiotics, such as natural yogurt, can reduce the recurrence of urinary tract infections. This happens because these beneficial bacteria prevent the growth of harmful bacteria, like Escherichia coli, the main cause of urinary tract infections. Urinate after sexual intercourse. One of the factors that contribute most to urinary tract infections is the accumulation of bacteria in the urethra. Therefore, urinating right after sexual intercourse is an essential measure to flush out any bacteria that may have been pushed into the urinary tract. Experts recommend that women urinate immediately after sex whenever possible, as this significantly reduces the risk of developing an infection. Avoid urine retention. Additionally, another important habit for combating urinary tract infections is to avoid holding in urine for long periods. When you hold urine for too long, bacteria have more time to multiply in the bladder, increasing the risk of infection. The ideal is to urinate whenever you feel the urge to keep the urinary tract clean and healthy. Consume foods rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C acidifies the urine, which can hinder the growth of bacteria in the urinary tract. Adding foods rich in vitamin C to your diet, such as oranges, kiwis, and strawberries, can be an effective way to strengthen your natural defenses against urinary tract infections. Additionally, vitamin C supplements may also be recommended by doctors in specific cases. Adopting these simple but scientifically proven tips could be the key to preventing urinary tract infections in the future. And of course, it's essential to seek medical advice at the first sign of infection. Only a professional can correctly diagnose and recommend the most appropriate treatment for your case. Remember, preventing and treating urinary tract infections the right way is the path to a healthier life. Take care and see you next time.